We all use our phones and know about the text replacement feature, which is really helpful for shortening long phrases into a single word. But when it comes to Windows, we find that this feature is completely missing. I searched YouTube and couldn't find anyone talking about it, except for a few videos that mention replacing text in Notepad or Word. So in today's video, I've brought you a free app that enables this feature across Windows, no matter where you are, even in browsers and text editing programs. We'll also cover how to activate this feature in Notepad, WordPad, and Word. Let's get started. With writing programs, all of them use the same shortcut, which is Ctrl+H. This will bring up a simple box with two fields, the first for the word or text you want to replace, and the second for the new text. Now, for the most important part, the program that enables this feature system-wide on Windows. The program is called AUTOTEXT, and you'll find its link in the video description. After installing the app, you might also need to install .NET Framework if it's not already on your system. Once installed, open the program, and you'll find folders with pre-made shortcuts. You can create a new folder for your own shortcuts, like this, and then test them in any program. You'll notice that when text is replaced, you'll hear a sound. I'll leave you to explore the program yourself. But there's one important setting. By default, it's not activated, but if it is, the text replacement won't work unless you type the shortcut and then press space, enter, or tab. I hope you found the program helpful. Let me know in the comments if you like using the text replacement feature. Don't forget to support the video with a like and share it with your friends. You can also find more helpful videos here. As always, thanks for watching, and I see you in a next video.